Okay, here we'll see the rules of logarithms or laws of logarithms. So write the heading, rules of logarithms. The previous video that I released, I shown how to convert logarithm to integers, integers to logarithm, and calculations involving that. So please subscribe and click the bell sign, then you'll receive continuously what other videos that I am releasing here. This is your chapter 19 in your book. I will show the second type of problems under rules of logarithm. So in grade 10 maths, there are two main rules we're using to work this type of questions. So rule number one state this: logarithm base a m plus logarithm base a n. Logarithm, you know, logarithm has a base and a value and the answer also. Here base is a, there's a value called m. Here general formula, when studying the rules we state that generally. In the problem we will use numerical values for the a and m. Here also base a n. So your bases are same, right? In logarithm, when the bases are same, addition plus comes, the rule says multiple. That is, you take the log, log base a out, m, if it plus put multiple n, right? This is that rule number one. When the bases are equal, addition multiple the value. It's not only for two letters, any A, M, N, P, Q, R or A, B, C, D, anything you can use it. But important bases same. The bases same only, this rule valid, right? So copy this. Second law, logarithm base A, M, subtract minus logarithm base a n. So rule number says about the addition positive, here minus subtract. So here also bases are same. If it's 5, here also 5. If it's 10, here also 10. If it's 7, here 2. I don't know how to use. So bases equal only, we have the applicable rule that valid, right? So bases are same. Then the rule says divide the log value. Divide the logarithm value. The bases are same, divide. So we have 3, 4 rules, but here grade 10 maths. That's all. This continuous big chapter, logarithm grade 9, 10, 11. We have grade 12 also. So bases are same. When minus come, divide the log value. So now we see the questions involving in that part 2 book. You can see page 8, chapter 19. See first question, problem 1. Simplify and express the answer in logarithm form. Simplify and express the answer in logarithm form. Okay. See first question, first time we're using this law or rules of logarithm or law of logarithm for this question. So this problem depending on the addition plus symbol. So rule number 1 is rule number 1, here rule number 2. Bases are same, addition then multiple. So how to work that? Take the logarithm base 2 out, here 10 plus then multiple 5. Multiple, see the rule, copy the rule and see. Bases are same, addition comes multiple. So what the answer? Logarithm base base to 50. That's all. So I've shown in the previous video number one of logarithm how to read this. Logarithm 50 to the base is 2. Logarithm 50 to the base is 2 is what? But the answer? Here no answer. We have answer, but at the moment that's not necessary. Up to this enough. Simplify. Give the answer logarithm pattern, logarithm form. Next question. Logarithm base 3, 8 plus logarithm base 3, 5. So we can work it. The same idea. Bases are same. Addition. Then the rule says multiple. So it's equal to what? Logarithm. Take the base 3 out. 8. You know the rule number 1 state that positive comes multiple. So multiple 5. So what the answer? Logarithm base 3, 40. Logarithm base 3, 40. See next question. That's then the third book in your lesson book, your grade 10 part 2 book, reference. If any problem, stop the video, go through my first video and see properly all the definition of indices to logarithm, logarithm to indices, and how to solve that. So you see base 2, base 2, base 2, all addition. So rule number 1, not only 2 values, any number of additions you can apply the rule. So what the answer? Take logarithm base 2 out. Here 7 plus means multiple, 3. Here plus means multiple 5. Addition means multiple. So 5 times 3 15, 15 times 7. So 7 times 3 21, 21 times 5 105. So answer logarithm base 2 105. Next question number 3. That's for subtract. Logarithm 20 to the base is 6 minus logarithm 4 to the base is 6. Subtract. So first time we use what? Rule number 2. Bases are same. Minus comes divide. You have to divide. Numerically divide and get the answer. So here logarithm, take the 6 out. 20 minus means divide. 4. So what is the answer? Log base 6, 20 divided by 4. 20 how many 4s? 5 times. So it's the answer. If you say 5, answer is wrong. If you say 6, answer is wrong. Everything log, log 5 base is 6. Try next question, third problem. Logarithm 10, logarithm 2, logarithm 5. all the bases are same. Bases are A. Whatever it is, base should be same value. Values or any algebraic terms, here all A. So simplify, and they ask you the answer logarithm pattern. Final answer log form. So take the log out, log base A out. Here 10. These two values are negative, minus. Minus means divide. So minus comes divide here, right below, right? Minus comes right below. 10, 2 below means divide. 5 also below. Okay, important. First time you use this pattern. Study properly, important. If minus comes divide. So 2 is divide below, right below. 5 also below. But if you show something like this, become a 25. If you like a 25 like that, there's no 25. So put a multiplication, multiple. Okay. So what is the answer? Logarithm base A. Here 10, here also 10. 10 divided by 10, 1. Logarithm base A, 1. 10 divided by 10, 1. That's the answer. So I hope you know how to use these rules. Rule number 1, addition comes multiple, minus comes divide. Next question, in fifth one, logarithm, I think sixth problem, that is logarithm base 10, 6 plus logarithm base 10, 2 minus logarithm base 10, 3. And the problem, simplify and give the answer in the log form. So use the two rules. Addition rule and the minus rule, subtract rule. Take the log base 10 out, logarithm base 10. Here 6. This addition, it comes multiple. 2 minus divide 3. That's all simple. If you practice with me, everything simple, become easier. So simplify. Cut the 3 here twice. So what the final answer? Logarithm base 10, 2 times 2, 4. There is no any other final answer for this. Let's come the later other chapter. There are 2 big chapters in logarithm. This is type 1, chapter 1 of logarithm. Logarithm base 10, 4 is the answer. Okay, we'll go next type, second type of question here. Second type of problem. Find the value of each of the following expressions. Find the value of each of following expressions. Find the value of each of the following expressions. Right, first part. Logarithm 4 plus logarithm 8. Here base is 2. See another question. Type 1, separate, simplify only. Here they ask find the value. So give the final answer, number answer. Here what the rule? Number 1, because bases are same. Bases are same. Addition multiple. So what is that? Logarithm base 2. Here 4 plus means multiple 8. So it's equal logarithm base 2 multiple 4 times 8, 32. Here earlier type 1 question, previous problems, Up to this we finished that. We end that problem up to this. Now here further you can simplify. There's a value for this solving. If it's 2 here, we can write the 32 to the power of 2. As base is 2, what is 32? 2 to the power what is 32? 2 multiply and see. Logarithm base 2, 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5. So logarithm 32 to the base 2. There's a value here. If this both are same, power is the answer. Answer is 5, right? So logarithm 32 to the base 2 is 5. So you can see my previous video number 1. Video number 1 we work something like this, simplifying using the indices conversion to logarithm converted to indices. There we work such problem. Logarithm 32 to the base 2 is 5. See next question. Simplify, find the value. Logarithm 27 minus logarithm 3. Base is 3. Base is 3. So what is that? The bases are same. Minus comes divide. Minus comes divide. Rule number 2. So logarithm base 3. Here 27 minus means divide 3. So what is that? Logarithm base 3 27 divided by 3 9. So there's a value. What the answer? Logarithm 9 to the base 3. Follow this previous work, previous part thing. Logarithm, if it's 3, write the 9 also 3 as a 3 square, 3 or anything power. The 3 square. 3 square is 9. This both should be always same. See here, 2 here 2. Then power is the answer. So here therefore this both are same. Power is the answer. So logarithm 9 to the base 3 is 2. See next question. Logarithm 20 plus logarithm 2 minus logarithm 4, all base 10 problems. So simplify, give the final answer. So you can work. If you're confused, stop the video, pause it and see previous questions, how I answered, and connect idea, recreate idea, and see you can solve simply such a problems. So first you see is the bases are same. Here base is this same? Yes. Then only you can apply the rule. Otherwise you can't apply the rule. So logarithm base 10. 20 plus means multiple 2 minus means divide 4. Two rules can be applied here. Addition rule, rule number 1. Subtract rule number 2. Plus comes multiple, minus comes divide. So now simplify. Logarithm base 10. Now cut the 4 here, 5. 5 times to 10. So only first step is grade 10. Others you idea primary class work, multiple, divide and write a power. So here what is the answer? Logarithm 10 base also 10. So power is the answer. No, 10 means 1. Here 1. 1 time, answer is 1. Logarithm 10 to the base 10 is 1. Try next question. Logarithm 80, logarithm 15, logarithm 12, all base is 2, minus and addition. So here we can use the both rules, minus available, subtract, plus available, then multiple. So take logarithm base 2, logarithm base 2 out 80. This is plus, so multiple 12. This is minus, so divide by 15. Addition rule and dividing rule. Plus 12, so multiple, minus 4, 15, then divide. So don't multiple, try to divide, try to cut. Now cut by 3, cut by 3, 4 times, 5 times. Cut the 5 here, 80, how many 5? 16 times. So 16 multiple 4. Otherwise 64. 16 multiple 4, 64, or any method. So here base is 2, then completely give as a base of 2. So I will show like this. I will show like this. Logarithm base 2, 16 I say 2 to the power 4. 4 is 2 to the power 2. So logarithm base 2, what is this? Complete your grade 9 rule number 1. Bases are same, add the power, answer is 6. Or straightly if you say 64, try to show 64 2 to the power 6. So the answer is 6. See next question, logarithm 20 plus logarithm 10 minus logarithm 2. First decide whether the bases are same. Yes, all are base 10. Therefore you have a final number value. So simplify, use the two rules, addition rule and the subtract rule. Log base 10. Take the base 10 out. 20 plus is multiple 10, minus means divide below 2. So therefore logarithm base 10, base is 10, cut the 2 here, 10 times 10 times 10, 100. Logarithm 100 to the base 10. Therefore, we have exact one number value. What is that? What is that? How to work? Logarithm base 10. If it's 10, show the 100, 10 to the power. 10 to the power 2. 10 times, don't say 20, 10 times 10, 100. So this both are same, power is the answer. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. Next question is the last problem in your book, this under this type. Simplify. You can work it. Pause the video and try it. And with me, you can check this whether it's correct or incorrect or mind wrong. Check. Bases are same. Minus and plus both available. 20 plus 4 and minus 16. So it's equal, take the logarithm base 5. Here 20 plus mean multiple. 4 minus is divide. Two major rules of logarithm: addition, multiple, minus, divide. So simplify now. Logarithm base 5. Cut the 4 here 4. Cut the 4 here 5. Finally, logarithm 5, base also 5. So what is that? These both are same. Answer is the power 1. 5 means 1. 25 comes 2. 125 means power is 3. So 5 means answer is 1. So it's the type of solving or simplifying question using the major two rules, addition rule and the subtract or minus rule. Okay, we'll see next type 3. Type 3 problem, they said, write the following expressions. Write the following expressions in terms of logarithm 5 to the base a and logarithm 3 to the base a. So here how? We'll see. The first question, logarithm 15 to the base a. It's another important type of problem. Logarithm base a 15, you have to give in two terms, 5 and 3. 5 and 3. So here 15 available, you change the 15 into 5 and 3. So you think, so in this case the answers are multiplication or addition. The reverse form of the rule. Go through rule number 2 and rule number 1 we learned. Bases are same, addition comes multiple and subtract comes divide. So that other side, we use the other side of this rule. So how the 15 means how? 5 times 3. 15 means 5 times 3 or 3 times 5. So here logarithm a, write the 15, 3 multiple 5. 3 multiple 5. Now see the rule. If I show once again rule, logarithm base a m plus logarithm base a n is equal to what? Logarithm, take the a out, m multiple n. We learned the rule number 1. Bases are same, addition multiple. So we worked many questions previous from this side. Now this problem from that side. Come that side. If it's multiple, addition. If it's multiple, put the addition. So what the answer? Logarithm 3 plus logarithm 5 base is 3. I hope you understand this. Problem, pause the video and recheck the rule and see. If the bases are same, addition be multiple. Then multiple mean this side. What is the equal mean? Like a scale, both side balance. This is LHS, left hand side equal to RHS, right hand side. Right hand side equal to left hand side. So this is this way. From this multiple, expand the bracket by addition. If it's division comes, subtract. That's the meaning. Second one, logarithm 5 below 3, base is a, logarithm base a, 5 divided by 3. Therefore, what the question says, so every problem give this log 5 and log 3 form. Here no log 5, completely 5 over 3, not log 5 separated, not log 3 separated. We have to give as that pattern. A simple straight answer. But the rule says addition comes multiple, minus comes divide. So reverse, divide comes subtract, minus. So here logarithm base a 5 minus logarithm base a 3. Is it? Check the rule number 2. Pause the video and check the rule number 2. A minus comes divide. Addition comes multiple. Addition comes multiple comes here like this. Addition comes multiple. Division comes subtract. This they ask here, right? Next question. Logarithm 45. Logarithm base a 45. Like the first type question. So inside 45, you try to take the 5 and 3. 5 and 3 take. Not by addition, not by subtract, by multiple or dividing. These forms are by multiple or dividing form. So think 45 how convert to in terms of both 5 and 3. If you don't have any idea, divide by prime numbers, divide by 3, 15 times, divide by what, 3, 5, divide by 4. So 3 into 3 into 5. I mean 9 times 5, no? We need the 3 and 5 only. 3 into 3 into 5. So write this logarithm base a 45 is what? 3 into 3 into 5. So work with me, you work. Any problem, pause the video and recheck, clear it. Now the multiplication, first rule, if it's multiple, other side addition. If it's added, we multiply it. So multiple the bracket, logarithm 3 plus logarithm 3 plus logarithm 5. Multiple is addition. All the bases are equal. A is the final answer. But further you can work, that's your past knowledge, addition of the algebraic term. You know x plus x, 2x, 5x plus 2x, 7x, 2a, 1a, 3a. So see here, log 3, again log 3, addition. Log 3, don't say log 6. Log 3 we called 2 times log 3. So the answer 2 times log 3 plus log 5. Plus log 5. Base is a. Base is a, right? Log 3, 2 times log 3 and the base is a. See another question, next point. You can work now if you know understood how I explained this and how I work this. You follow my method. Simple. Now logarithm 75 base is a. Give the both in terms of 5 and 3. The best answering method you adjoining show you a prime number division. 75 divided by 3 is the first prime number before 5. So 25 times. Again divide by 5. Now divide by 5. 5 times. So what? 3 into 5 into 5. So logarithm base A 3 into 5 into 5. 3 into 5 into 5. So now multiply the bracket and simplify. So rule number 1, expand, multiply. Logarithm 3 plus logarithm 5 again plus logarithm 5. So now we have like this answer. Logarithm 3 log 5 log 5. Don't say log 10. Different notation. 2 times log 5. 2 times log 5. Don't miss the base is A. You also base is A, right? Next one, logarithm base A 225. Try the same idea. Divide by prime factors, factorize by prime number, dividing 2. So if you know 75 times what? 3? 75 times 3. 5 times 3, 15. 1 remaining, 22. 75 times 3, that means another 3 comes followed. Logarithm 3 into 3, 5 into 5. Check the same method. 75, another 3. 75, another 3, 225. So now multiply. Logarithm 3 plus logarithm 3 plus logarithm 5 plus logarithm 5. Bases are A, right? All the bases equal, then only we can use the rules. So log 3, 2 times log 3. Log 5, 2 times log 5. Don't say any log 10. That is wrong way. It's the way. So practice always, keep in touch, important. It's a big problem in O-level papers also. This I shown today. My second video is logarithm problem. There are 2 big lessons. First lesson is this. So if you subscribe my video, then you will receive automatically all my releasing in the future for grade 10 type. I will show full detailed solutions in your book work. So I hope you understand this type of solving.